All right, we've got day 2 of our foundations today. So we are going to go over our vowel sounds, our digraphs, and our glued sounds. So we've got A apple A, E ed E, I itch I, O octopus ah, U up WH whistle wa, CH chin cha, SH ship sh, TH thumb, CK sock k, ALL ball all, AM ham am, AN fan an, ANG fang ang, ANK bank ank, ING ring ing, INK pink ink, ONG song ong, ONK honk onk, UNG lung ung, UNK junk unk, ILD wild isled, IND find eind, OLD cold old, OLT colt olt, OST post ost. Now we actually have a word of the day today as well. So our word of the day starts with one of our digraphs. I, k, thick, and then we're adding a suffix. Thicker. Tap it out with me. Ready? Thicker. Now remember, with the suffixes er and est, those let us know that we are comparing something. So when we mark up these words, we are going to underline our digraphs. So th and ck. Then we have a short vowel, so we're going to put our little brev above our I to let us indicate let us know that that is a short I. We are going to circle our suffix er, and then we're going to mark that it is a closed syllable. Thicker is a closed syllable because it has a vowel, and then it's followed by one or two more consonants. So one of our sentences that we could use would be, that book is thicker. Period. And we start with a capital letter and we end with a period. All right, we're going to erase that. And we're going to back up, put all of our letters back where they belong. All right, so now we've got some trick words that we're going to talk about. Now remember, trick words are called trick words because we cannot sound them out. So the first trick word that we have today is again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. These are words that we just need to memorize. And our second trick word is please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Now remember, when you get back to class, all of our trick words are up on our word wall for you to use because we can't we can't sound out what these trick words are. All we have to do is remember how to spell them. So that means that we have to practice them a ton. So we're actually going to go through the trick words that we've learned so far. We have shall, full, pull, both, talk, walk, done, goes, pretty, again, oopsie, and please. Those are the trick words that we have learned so far. All right, so now I'm going to say a suffix sound, and I want you to tell me which suffix makes that noise. Est. Est. If you said that est makes the est sound, you are correct. All right, now let's try s, s, s. If you said s makes the s sound, you are correct. Now let's talk If you said ER, you are correct. Then we have ed. 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 ED is our suffix for ed. Now this one's funny because it's a suffix and it's also a glued sound. Ing. Ing. I-N-G, ring, ing. Very good. And then we have another S. 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 We can say that as ES as well. We add ES when we have words that end in X, CH, SH, or S, or Z. All right, now you might think that we went through all of our suffixes, but there's one suffix that makes two sounds. What suffix says Z? Z. Oops. S makes the S sound and the Z sound. Now we're going to make a word. B. E. L. Bell. And remember, words that end in L, F, or S, we got to add that bonus letter. So we've got bell. And we are going to add an S to it to make it plural. So now we have bells. What sound does that S make? Does it make the soft S, S, or the hard S, Z? That S sounds like a Z, so it makes the hard S. Bells. All right, and our base word is bell. Oops, wrong one. All right, let's try another one. Duh. K. Duck. We're going to add an S. Ducks. Ducks. What sound does that S make? It makes the S sound at the end of ducks. All right, now let's do this word. B. E. N. Ch. Bench. Bench. Now it ends in a CH, so we have to add ES to it to make it plural. So now we have bench is. So our root word is bench and our suffix is ES. All right, my friends, that was all for our Foundations lessons today. If you have any questions, please make sure to email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I miss you guys and I can't wait to see you soon.